Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional tradesperson should consider adding to their arsenal. We're talking about the Dewalt Angle Grinder, model DWE402. This 4.5-inch, 11-amp grinder is not just another power tool. It's the best Dewalt grinder on the market today, known for its performance, durability, and user-friendly features. The Dewalt DWE402 stands out with its next-generation 11-amp motor, delivering an impressive 11,000 RPM. This means you get a robust power-to-weight ratio, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like cutting, grinding, and polishing metal surfaces. Whether you're a professional who needs to tackle rigorous jobs or a weekend warrior looking to complete home improvement projects, this grinder will not disappoint. One of the standout features of the DWE402 is its dust ejection system. This innovative technology ejects harmful dust and debris particles that can enter the grinder, ensuring that it remains operational and extending its life. This attention to detail in design is what makes Dewalt tools so reliable. Another notable aspect is the oversized brushes that offer double the life compared to previous models. This means less downtime for maintenance and more time getting the job done. The large spiral bevel gear also contributes to a long transmission life, so you can count on this grinder for years of performance. Adjustability is crucial for any tool, and the DWE402 doesn't fall short here. It features a one-touch guard, allowing for a full 360-degree rotation with just a single action. This simple yet effective design ensures that you can quickly modify the guard for various applications, enhancing both efficiency and safety during operation. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Dewalt DWE402 is ideal for various tasks, from metal grinding and cutting to finishing surfaces. Its lightweight design, combined with its powerful motor, makes it suitable for extended use without causing fatigue. Whether you're working on a small craft project or handling larger jobs, this grinder adapts to your needs. Out of the box, you'll find that the grinder is packaged securely, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. While the angle grinder itself is an essential tool, consider pairing it with some of Dewalt's high-quality grinding wheels or cutting discs for optimal performance. One of the best things about the DWE402 is its user-friendly design. The paddle switch is not only comfortable to use, but it also enhances safety by allowing for quick shutdown. Safety features are a top priority, and Dewalt has ensured that users can operate the grinder without unnecessary risk. In summary, the Dewalt Angle Grinder DWE402 is a powerhouse tool that combines performance, durability, and versatility. It's an investment that will pay off whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer. With its innovative features and robust construction, it's clear why this grinder is hailed as the best Dewalt grinder available today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on the best tools out there. Until next time, happy grinding.